In this video, we will see how to use the wall joins tool to control how individual junctions are formed between walls at specific locations. I have the exercise file Control Wall Joins open. Now we'll zoom into the right hand end of the building here, so from the navigation bar we'll choose Zoom Region and just draw it around this office. There are a few junctions here, so where this partition comes around the corner with the door and then this third one joins on. If I zoom in a bit closer, we can see that it's not properly joined with these lines that are going through the junction. So in order to force this to give us the junction that we're looking for, we can use the wall joins tool. And to do that, we'll go to the Modify ribbon tab, and then from the geometry panel, we'll choose wall joins. Now we can see as I move the mouse around the view, it highlights the different wall joins, and we'll choose this one here to edit. Now looking at the options bar, we can see that we have the configuration set for it to be butt jointed. We could swap it to mitered, and this would give us a junction like this, but that would still not be correct, so we'll leave it on butt jointed, and then we'll click the next button to cycle through the different options for this junction. As we can see, each time we click next, it's showing the position of the different components within each wall and putting them into different locations to give us different junctions with each option. And we can keep cycling through until we get one that we think is correct for our junction. I think this one will work fine, so now we'll choose Modify to finish the wall joins tool, and we can see it's created the junction between these walls that we chose and will give us a much more viable junction. Coming further along to the end of the wall, we can see that we have quite a sharp corner, and it would be good to control this somehow, otherwise in the real world it's likely to get chipped and broken quite easily if someone bumps into it. So once again, in the Modify ribbon tab, we'll choose the Wall Joins tool from the geometry panel. And now we'll move over to the corner of the wall that we want to modify and select it to give us the options. So we can see how the walls are joined currently at the moment, and clicking next we can cycle through those. We can choose miter, but that won't help us, so we'll choose square off, and we can see that what that will do is it will produce a 90-degree angle to one of the walls for our join. And we can choose the next option to choose which of the walls is actually squared off at the end. So I think we'll go with this one as it will give us the best junction. So now we'll just click Modify again to finish the Wall Joins tool. So there we can see that the Wall Joins tool allows us to control exactly how the components join together in different walls. And it also allows us to take care of some of the sharp corners so we can build those in a more realistic way.